Protect and heal your brain by eating this for breakfast every day. Millions of people around the world enjoy eating eggs. Whether they're white or brown, it doesn't really matter. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients and vitamins, offering numerous health benefits for our bodies. Today, I want to discuss the amazing effects eggs can have on your brain. Eggs are truly a nutritional powerhouse. They provide high-quality protein that's crucial for the function of neurotransmitters, the growth of brain cells, and their repair. The amino acids found in eggs help in building new proteins that are essential for your brain to function at its best. Furthermore, eggs are an excellent source of vitamin B12, which is vital for maintaining the myelin sheath. This sheath acts like insulation for your nerve cells, supporting optimal nerve function throughout your brain and spine, which are key components of your central nervous system. This system helps in communication between all your organs and tissues. Just like a winter coat keeps us warm and protected from the cold, our nerves are wrapped in the myelin sheath, ensuring they function efficiently and safely. In conditions like diabetic neuropathy and other types of neuropathy, people often experience a lot of pain. This is due to the deterioration of the myelin sheath, the protective layer around the nerves. Eggs can help maintain this myelin sheath, keeping the nerves healthy. Moreover, eggs are rich in selenium, which enhances their antioxidant capabilities, thereby safeguarding brain cells against oxidative stress and promoting overall brain wellness. Eggs are also a good source of choline, an essential nutrient critical for both brain development and function. Choline is a key element of cell membranes and acts as a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory, mood regulation, and cognitive abilities. In the brain, choline helps facilitate communication between neurons, allowing them to transmit important messages throughout the central nervous system. This process is essential for maintaining both brain and bodily functions, highlighting the important role choline plays in our health. Eggs are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, which is essential for transmitting signals between brain cells. DHA is linked to improved cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and problem-solving abilities. One of the key benefits of omega-3 fatty acids is their strong natural anti-inflammatory properties. These can reduce inflammation not only in the brain but throughout the body. Whether you're dealing with pain, autoimmune issues, or other conditions, reducing inflammation is crucial as it helps your body repair and heal. Additionally, eggs are rich in potent antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which build up in the brain and offer protection to nerve cells. These substances are also advantageous for maintaining eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin function as barriers, shielding our eyes from the damaging effects of high-energy blue light. This defense can enhance your vision and help prevent conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Eggs are beneficial not just for their nutrients, but also for their role in mental health. They contain amino acids that support the creation of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which are vital for mood regulation, stress response, and cognitive function. Also, eggs contribute positively to the integrity of the blood-brain barrier. The choline in eggs is essential for making phosphatidylcholine, a vital part of cell membranes, including the ones that make up the blood-brain barrier. This barrier is crucial because it controls the movement of substances from the bloodstream into the brain, shielding the brain from potentially harmful substances. Getting enough choline from eggs is key to keeping this barrier strong, which ensures the brain is well protected and functions effectively. Eggs are loaded with crucial nutrients, such as B vitamins, which are integral to the brain's energy metabolism. These vitamins aid in transforming carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into energy that the brain can use. This contribution to effective energy production and utilization in the brain boosts cognitive functions, enhances mental alertness, and improves overall brain performance. Here's the essential takeaway. Eggs support brain health. The brain, a crucial component of your central nervous system, oversees and regulates every system in your body. When your brain functions at its best, you're better equipped to maintain overall health, ward off cognitive decline, and prevent future neurodegenerative issues. A healthy brain leads to clearer thinking and a healthier overall life. So, don't forget about the powerful health benefits of eggs, especially for your brain. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Please pass it along to your friends and family. Don't stop at just eggs. Explore more ways to boost your health by checking out our other videos on healthy foods. Dive into a variety of topics that could help you steer clear of diseases and lead a better, healthier life.